Broken appliance in Vancouver? Home warranty or direct repair? What really saves you money? Home warranties average $4,506 annually plus $7,150 per call. You'd need 23 major repairs yearly for it to pay off. Compare that to independent repairs, averaging $2,400, offering specialised techs. Vancouver's coastal climate causes unique appliance issues, often tricky for standard warranties. Don't risk slow service or generic fixes. Vancouver Appliance Service Pros delivers expert, prompt repairs. Want the full financial breakdown? Read our blog post, linked in the description. For reliable appliance repair in Vancouver, call Vancouver Appliance Service Pros today.